Hey, this is Andy with Seamless Solutions. I just wanted to show you a prime example of what not to do in a complex situation with gutters. Right here we have an interesting roof intersection with one run of gutter coming straight into an inside corner and a very small section of fascia board to another inside corner that then rakes down at a compound angle. And what the previous installers tried to do is take strip miters, which are like this, and inside versions of these, and they tried to cut them into pieces, assemble them into this compound corner, and then cut the face into a piece, and then screw a rectangular section like a plate across the bottom and seal the inside of it. And they left this gutter coming up long, and it sticks inside of this other gutter. So as the water comes, it just hits the metal and has nowhere to go. So this entire section of gutter has been filled up with dirt. It's not flowing, and it's all leaked back here behind the gutter. And then likewise down here, they did the same thing. They tried to use a strip miter at a compound corner, right? Two different angles coming in, and tried to bend it, because this is a straight piece, it's just flat on the bottom. They tried to bend it upwards to get it to seal, and then put penetrations in the bottom of the gutter, which is the worst idea in the world. Bottom of the gutter is where all the water is. So the consequences of that you have here is the fascia is actually starting to rot out. This home's only a couple years old. So we're gonna replace it, do custom hand cut miters with tabs and rivets, and have it done right. We'll show you what that looks like later. Hey guys, Andy here again with Seamless Solutions. Just wanted to check back in with you and show you what we came up with the horrendous miter situation at this corner. So as you can see, there's no more screws penetrating the bottom of the gutter. There's no more strip miters that are bent and twisted to try to make the corner work. And if you come and look up top, now we do have two different heights of gutters coming together, so it is a little goofy. We were able to get a couple screws into the face. We use screws instead of rivets just because there's no room to get a rivet gun into there, right? And if you look on the inside, previously it was blocked. This gutter was ran long and blocking the water flowing through and down around the corner here. So this is how it should be done in a complicated, weird inside corner, so that you don't rot out the fascia, so the water flows properly, and you don't have any leaks. So thank you, and check back in for more videos.